that part is very important to us. So Ken can come from the back, make his count. Once he's done that, he will make an announcement to let you know when you're able to get up and stretch your legs. So please remain seated so we can go ahead and deplane all of the other passengers. Thank you.
Here we are, getting ready to land in Austin. What's the airport called?
Austin Bergstrom, I think. Here we go.
There goes another plane. Everything's bigger.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Austin. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and your seat back and tray tables in their full upright lock position. And all your carry-on items exactly where they are at. Once the captain has brought this aircraft to a complete stop and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, that is your indication and the only indication that you may, at that point, open up the overhead bins, retrieve your items, just be very